What's up, tech enthusiasts and visual creators? Welcome back to the channel that brings you the latest in cutting-edge camera tech and content creation gear. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated mirrorless camera releases of the year, the Sony A7V. From exclusive leaks to rumored features, 10 major upgrades, pricing predictions, and potential release dates. This video breaks it all down so you can decide if the A7V deserves a spot in your gear bag. So if you're a hybrid shooter, filmmaker, or just a Sony Alpha fan, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because what's coming next might just change your camera game forever. This is the Sony A7V. It's the most anticipated mirrorless camera of the decade. Leaks are flooding the internet, rumors are flying, and photographers everywhere are wondering, is this the next full-frame king? In this ultimate deep dive, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Sony A7V, from leaked specs to confirmed features, to how it stacks up against Canon and Nikon. This video has it all. Whether you're a pro photographer, hybrid, creator, or a tech fan just looking for the next big camera innovation, this is the video for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell because you're not going to want to miss what's coming next. The legacy of Sony Alpha, how we got to the A7V. To understand the Sony A7V, we need to rewind a bit back to where it all began. The A7 revolution. When Sony launched the first A7 in 2013, it shocked the camera world. A full-frame sensor and a compact mirrorless body, no one saw that coming. Sony disrupted Canon and Nikon overnight. A 7.2, a 7.4 iteration meets innovation. A 7.2 introduced 5x's IBIS. A 7.3 was the people's camera, unbeatable value for price. A 7 IV brought advanced autofocus, improved video, and serious hybrid power. Now, it's 2025. Sony has had over a decade of dominance, and the A7V is here to raise the bar yet again. Sony A7V leaks and rumors. What we know so far: leaked specs via trusted sources like Sony Alpha rumors, new 3.3MP BSI sensor with stacked design, AI-powered subject recognition. From A7R V, 8K 30fps video, plus 4K 120 FPS, dual specs press Type A, plus SD slots. Fully articulating LCD with higher resolution dual native ISO extended battery life, new heat dissipation system. Multiple leakers have confirmed that Sony is borrowing high-end features from the A1, A7R V and FX3 to make the A7V a true hybrid powerhouse. Big deal. AI autofocus like the A7R V and A6700. Expect subject recognition for birds, animals, vehicles, insects, even helmets. Expected announcement window. Most rumors point to Q4 2025 expected. Price range between $2,499 and $2,799. Depending on final specs, this would make it one of the most competitively priced pro cameras on the market. New features of the Sony A7V. You need to know: AI autofocus engine from A7R V, new stacked sensor, better dynamic range and readout. AI autofocus engine from A7R V, new stacked sensor, better dynamic range and readout. Speed 8K video at 30fps, 4K 120 fps with 10-bit, 4:2:2 internal, improved IBIS up to 8 stops, dual native ISO, great for low light, updated EVF with 9.44 m-dots, specs press type. Support for faster data, new heat management, no more overheating, fully articulating screen with better touch controls. Redesigned menu system with better touch navigation, faster USB-C, 3.2 Gen 2x2 for transfer and charging. Bluetooth 5.2 plus Wi-Fi 6 for faster file sharing, improved color science for skin tones, AI-powered. Real-time LUTs for video creators, Sony A7V vs competition, Sony A7V versus A7 for better autofocus, better low light, better video, A7V wins. But costs more. Sony A7V versus A7R V. A7R V wins for resolution 61MP. 7V better for video. Sony A7V versus FX3. A7V photography focused. FX3 still better for dedicated cinematography. Sony A7V versus Canon R6. Mark II A7V edges out in dynamic range. Video resolution. Autofocus Sony A7V versus Nikon Z6III strong on image quality and ergonomics. A7V wins with AI features and ecosystem. Who should buy the Sony A7V? Photographers. Amazing stills, improved color science. Better dynamic range videographers, 8K and 4K 120 FPS. Real-time LUTs, no overheating content creators, YouTubers fully articulating screen, AI face tracking, real-time streaming. Event shooters and wedding pros dual card slots. Long battery, low light performance, whether you shoot portraits, landscapes, events, or YouTube. This camera is built for you. Price and release date, leaked price. $2,499, $2,799 United States dollars launch, October or November 2025 shipping, within 30 days of announcement. And that wraps up our full breakdown of the Sony A7V, from leaks to features to expert analysis. Now, like this video if you've learned something new, subscribe and turn on notifications for more deep dives.